Yerba mate is a traditional South American drink that's been around for centuries. It's made from the leaves of the Ilex paraguayensis plant, which are dried and then steeped in hot water to create a tea-like infusion. People in countries like Argentina, Uruguay, and Paraguay have been enjoying it for ages. Not just for its unique flavor, but also for its cultural significance. They often share it with friends and family in a social setting, using a special straw and a shared gourd. One of the biggest misconceptions about yerba mate is that it's too bitter. I know I thought that when I first tried it. The bitterness can be a bit of a shock if you're not used to it, but that's also what makes it so distinctive. Some people also struggle with the preparation method. Traditionally, it's brewed in a shared straw and gourd, which can be a bit intimidating if you're not familiar with it. I've had friends who were put off by the idea of sharing a straw, but trust me, it's all part of the experience. Another challenge is finding the right balance of flavor. Some people like it strong and bold, while others prefer it more subtle. There are so many ways to enjoy yerba mate beyond the traditional method. You can try adding a squeeze of fresh orange or lemon juice to give it a citrusy twist. Some people like to infuse their yerba mate with fruits like strawberries or peaches for a sweeter flavor. You can also experiment with different temperatures. Some people prefer it hot, while others like it iced. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even try combining it with other herbs or spices to create unique flavor profiles. One of my favorite ways to enjoy yerba mate is by making a yerba mate latte. It's super easy. You just brew a strong shot of yerba mate. Then mix it with milk and a bit of honey to sweeten it. The creamy texture and sweetness balance out the bitterness perfectly. It's a game changer. I've also tried adding a sprinkle of cinnamon or cocoa powder on top for extra flavor. And if you're feeling fancy, you can even froth the milk like you would for a cappuccino. The standout recipe I want to share with you today is a yerba mate mojito. It's a refreshing twist on the classic cocktail. Simply brew a strong shot of yerba mate, mix it with lime juice, mint leaves, and a bit of sugar, and you've got a drink that's perfect for warm weather. The combination of the yerba mate's earthy flavor with the brightness of the lime and the coolness of the mint is absolutely incredible. It's a great way to experience yerba mate in a whole new way. Trying yerba mate in new ways can be a real game changer. Not only do you get to experience new flavors, but you also get to connect with different cultures and traditions. It's a chance to explore and find what you love. Whether you're a seasoned yerba mate drinker or just starting out, I encourage you to keep experimenting and finding your favorite way to enjoy it.